We're demonstrating a programmable logic controller connected to a magnetometer as a simple linear position sensor with a meter for the PLC output. The sensor can easily detect a magnet 8 inches or 200 millimeters away. As we get closer, the field increases. We're using a square root function to linearize the output versus distance. Here's the wiring diagram. The sensor is powered by a PLC analog output providing 10 volts, and the two bridge outputs are connected to PLC inputs. A second PLC analog output is connected to the meter. We used an AAL024. It's a low field sensor, so it gives us a wide magnet spacing range. The PLC analog inputs have fairly low input impedances. So another reason we selected the AAL024 was for its relatively low bridge resistance. Each half bridge has 2 resistors, so the output impedance is half the bridge resistance, or 1.1 kiloohms for a 2.2 kiloohm bridge. That's less than 1/100th of the PLC input impedance, so there's negligible loading. We recommend 2 to 5 kiloohm bridges for PLCs. All of our parts are high enough resistance to be driven by a PLC analog output. The sensor is rated for the PLC's 10 volt maximum analog output, and each sensor output is around 5 volts, which is well within the PLC's analog input range. We programmed the PLC using RS Logic 500 Pro software. We set the sensor supply voltage to 4096, which is 10 volts. We read the 2 sensor outputs. We subtract the sensor minus output from the plus output. We take the absolute value of the sensor differential so we don't error on the square root operation. Magnetic field is approximately proportional to the square of the distance from the magnet, so we can linearize the output by taking the square root. We correct the sensor offset, which may not be necessary. And finally, we scale for 0 to 10 volts and send the result to an analog output connected to the meter. Here are the main demo elements. Features of AA series sensors include various magnetic field ranges, a flexible Wheatstone bridge configuration, a wide supply range, wide operating temperature range, and several package options. Click, email, or call us for more information or to buy sensors, PC boards, and magnets.